Advansub's fuel uses original Torii-based fuel from Japan, combined with high-quality raw materials imported from Germany, the United States, and South Korea, to create a triple-layer ink-absorbing structure. This ensures outstanding transfer efficiency and color stability. The constant temperature and humidity storage environment and daily environmental monitoring system, using advanced coating equipment with a closed-loop temperature control system, achieves plus or minus 1 micrometer level coating thickness accuracy. The three-stage drying process ensures the consistency of coating current. The test records of each batch of raw materials before entering the production line are made to ensure the stability of the coating and facilitate the subsequent quality traceability. After each coating, the thickness of film inspection and transfer effect testing to maintain high transfer rates. Our company offers customization service to meet your specific size and specification requirements.